makes a successful tea business, or what makes a tea product sell like hotcake? I'm sure they are the questions that you have in mind, and with your tea business about to flourish, I want to just bring you back to one single question. Hello, it's Selena from teas.com.au, and I have been working with many tea business owners and tea product creators to help them to find the way to sell tea profitably in their style. And throughout this 15 years, I have seen a lot of products, come and go. Some of them flop, but some of them are flourishing, and there are just so many people who just simply think that, wow, I've got a great tea, I'm going to go out to the market and make it happen. And I want to let you know that while having the love, the passion for the tea is absolutely essential in really making your brand stand out, I want to ask you this one question. And I want you to spend time on working this out after this video and really think about what is this tea business mean to you when it is successful, defining that success for you. I have come across teachers who are trying to supplement their income by having this tea business, and they are quite clear of what they are trying to create, particularly from a monetary perspective. They are wanting to add another $2,000 in their pocket every month. Or someone else I was working with, they have a $15,000 budget for the tea, and they are creating a very different type of business that is going to make an income, and it's going to be their sole income in the household between the husband and wife. There are many different ways to define that success. Perhaps yours is quite different. And I think while a business is an extension of you, and it is really important to understand why this business for you, from the from the, if you will, from the softer side of what would that give you in terms of feeling, like that rewarding feeling of helping more people become healthier, or having more fun enjoying tea with nice chocolate brownies, or having an awesome refreshing tea after a gym session, or whatever it might be. There is the other side, and that is the financial goal that you have, because often that is going to help you to crystallize what kind of success that you are after. If you say, hey, I'm just going to put it out and see how it goes, then that is the sort of result you will get. And often a lot of people, when they say that, they don't quite mean it. So they get frustrated because it's not moving, or if the product is not selling, or you do a whole lot of Facebook ads and you get crickets, and things like that. It is really important to understand what this success means to you. And working 15 years with so many tea businesses, I have found some key fundamentals that every successful tea business or tea product will have, and that's what I put together in this Tea Biz Fast Start course. It is really a distillation and condensation of the key essentials. There are, of course, a lot of other concepts in a short course we will not be able to expand on, but I want to give you this foundational understanding. So the course will go through 6 modules. The first module is about foundational understanding of your customer, yourself, and choosing suppliers, and creating your first website. So those, key pieces, if you will. Then the second module, we're going to talk about product creation, the fun part that most of you are going to enjoy and going to do it without me telling you to go and do it. But we're going to just bring it back to a slightly more disciplined way to look at it, because the last thing you want is just create a whole lot of products that are not selling, that people don't get. So we're going to look at that. Going to look at tea choices, range, size, packaging, all that sort of stuff. The third one is marketing and sales, depending on whether you like that topic or not. But we're going to try to make it work from the perspective of return of investment, ROI, because it's really easy to keep chucking money and chucking hours into marketing particularly and not getting a sales. These two pieces need to join together, and when one is done well, the other one is going to flow on really nicely. Delivery, customer services, all that sort of stuff, shipping, are absolutely essential to give your customer that complete experience of everything is done to a quality standard. Now, we don't need you to bend backwards, but there are certain consistency that has to hit the mark in order to generate income for you, in order to make it as effortless as possible. So there's more gain and less pain. And who wants to have a job, when they create a tea business? Something up. No, of course, right? You want this to be joyful, you want it to be rewarding, and you want to make a dent in this universe in a way that it's gonna matter. So I really want to help you out here. And in the last bonus session is a collection of different bits and pieces, such as, what you can do when you start having those self-talk moments of I can't do this, or I don't have this many hours to do all of this stuff. And which tea to sell more profitably, we're going to dig a little bit more in, and I'm going to throw in a few goodies there as well that you can use for marketing and promotions. So if pictures is not your thing, or you're just too busy, then there are going to be some of these free resources, and we are going to keep adding pieces in to help you out. So I look forward to seeing you inside the Tea Business Fast Start course. It is certainly a course for any tea product creators, whether tea product is your main product in your business, or it's going to be something you sell on the side. Either way, it is a business, and I'm sure you want it to get profit for you, right? And doing it without being sleazy, without feeling you need to bend backwards, without needing to burn every single freaking waking hour, and have no social life. I want this to be as easy and joyful as possible. And at the end of the course, you will get an invite from me to get onto a call with me. And at that point, I really want you to share with me, what does tea business success mean to you? I hope that you will sit down and write down, this really important piece. Stick it on your wall, stick it on top of your laptop, whatever it might be, and remind yourself on it, especially on the days that things seem to, kind of go pear-shaped and doesn't go your way. So I look forward to seeing you inside Tea Business Fast Start course. Is a 6 module. You can take 6 hours or 6 days to go through it, but I recommend 6 days so your brain has a chance to rest and digest all the information. It is pretty full on, but I am really passionate about this course because I've seen so many businesses fail because they just have the passion to create a product, but they haven't got the ecosystem to support it. The business is a system, so it cannot just have the product. There's a lot more to it, and this is what the course is about. So I look forward to seeing you inside. Don't delay, don't go buy tea, don't go and hire a website designer just yet. Take this course, get your fundamentals locked in, then you can go and look at all these other things that's going to make the business successful for you. So I look forward to seeing you soon in Tea Business Fast Start course. Take care.